In this video, we're going to break down 8 effective marketing tips for lawyers. Hi, I'm JB with Marketing 360, and we help small businesses grow with our marketing and design, talent, and technology through our #1 marketing platform, Marketing 360. We call marketing and design MAD, and we love MAD. And hopefully these videos will help you fall in love with MAD too. So make sure to follow us to learn tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your business and fuel your brand. Step number 1 is to build a professional, high-quality, convertible website. Most of the time when somebody's thinking about doing business with you, they're going to do quite a bit of research and analysis, and they're going to do that on your website. And so you're going to want to make sure you have a professional website for your firm, and you're going to want to make sure that that website's mobile friendly. About 80% of search today is mobile, so check your website on your phone, make sure that it looks good, and also do a bird's eye view comparison of your website design in comparison with some of your other law firm competitors. The important thing there is your potential client is doing the same thing. So they're clicking through multiple websites and they're doing some analysis in their own mind, and it's based on design and content. So if you feel that your website falls short than some of your competitors, you're going to want to level up on your website so you're not losing business based on design. Tip number 2, if you want your firm to dominate, you want to dominate page 1 of Google for your top search terms. So depending on what type of a law firm that you have, think about those search terms. People are searching various things to find somebody in your field. What are those terms? And you're going to want to dominate page 1 for those terms in 3 places. Place number 1 would be in the paid ads. That's the top 3 listings on top. You have to pay to play, so make sure you invest in paid search to be there via the paid ad when somebody searches. That's important because those are on top. A lot of times people are searching on a mobile these days, and they're really not even going to scroll down. So if you're not in the top spots, you're missing out on potential business, so make sure you invest to be there. Number 2 is to get into the maps. To get into the maps, you're going to want to optimize your Google My Business page. Make sure that it's fully populated, that you have the listing on Google My Business, and that you're getting reviews. If you do those things and you're within general proximity of the searcher, you're going to show up in the maps, and that's position number 2. And position number 3 on page 1 is organic search. You're going to want to rank organically on the page 1 for your top terms as well. For that, you're going to want to optimize your website in many various ways, and you're going to want to create ongoing content on your website via blog posts, new pages of content, videos, infographics, and other things, so that your site ranks high organically as well. But if you think about it, there's only really 10 or so positions on Google when somebody searches a term, and if you can own 3 of those, you're going to really dominate in the space, and you're going to see a huge lead flow for potential new clients. Tip 3 is to use a CRM. CRM allows you to optimize your processes, stay organized, work both leads and clients to have the best outcome. You can also build in automation, which I'm about to break down right now. So tip 4 is to set up email automation. You can set up email automation very easily with your CRM if you're using a CRM. One example here would be when you finish a case and the outcome is good, you can have the CRM automatically send an email out to your client asking for a review. This helps build your ratings and reviews and your online reputation, as well as helps you rank higher in the maps, and this can all be automated. Another example would be a new lead comes into your website looking for a free consultation. You can have automatic emails going out talking about your process, your reputation, your experience, and other things to help you close those deals. Tip 5 is to invest in your online reputation. Before somebody reaches out to you, requests a free consultation, or calls you, a lot of times they're going to go back to Google, search your brand name and the word reviews. And if you don't have a good bird's eye view there, if you don't have 4 and 5 stars showing up on the first page of Google, if you don't have strong reviews, you're going to be missing out on a lot of business. And particularly if you have some bad reviews, that's going to hurt you. So you want to make sure you invest in your online reputation. If you don't have somebody on staff that can continually ask for reviews and monitor your reputation, you really probably need to invest in a company doing it for you or hiring somebody to take care of it for you, because it's something that you can't be skipping on. Tip number 6 is to get listed in local directories and directory sites, especially ones that are relevant to your particular law firm and industry. There's lots of different types of directories where people might be searching for a potential attorney or lawyer to work with outside of just searching on Google, and so you're going to want to make sure that you get listed there, that you optimize your listing, and that you also capture reviews on your listing so that you stand out in the crowd. Tip number 7 is to make sure that you're doing retargeting. Retargeting basically stays in front of people that have visited your website or maybe seen you on social media as they're in the research mode. As you know, most people are doing a little bit of research before they actually take the final step and reach out to you or request a consultation. And so you want to stay in front of those people during that research process, so when they are ready to reach out, you're there and they think of you first. So remarketing is huge to invest in, because people, after they visit your site, will see you on various websites online, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, just further building trust and credibility for your brand in their mind. So when they come to decision-making time, they decide on you. Tip number 8 is to develop some informational videos around your industry and put those on YouTube. And spend some money investing in advertising those videos, so when people search on YouTube for various topics, your videos show up as the recommended videos for them to watch. This is important because a lot of people, before they actually really reach out to you, they go through a period of research around their particular problem and how they might be able to solve it and how they might be able to get out of it and those sorts of things. And one place that they're doing this is YouTube. It's the perfect place for them to go and educate themselves and watch videos. So if you create content that answers some of those questions, they're going to see those things on YouTube and they're going to be motivated to then reach out to you and do business with you. And so it's not something that's too complicated in doing. You don't have to have a perfect setup. You could even use your cell phone to video some of these tips and trades and things that you want to cover around your industry. Get those out in the wild on YouTube and invest some money in advertising those, so as people are searching, it shows up as a recommended video for them to watch. So hopefully these tips help you better understand different ways you can maybe market your law firm and grow your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, if you like the video, like it, share, follow us for more content like this in the future. You can also text marketing to 39970 for weekly marketing tips sent to you via text message.